Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, November 19th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math and science, there is no homework. In social studies, we need to study for the Sumer quiz on Tuesday. We talked about 5 different ways that you could study, from reviewing your notes, reviewing bell work, making flashcards. We also talked about taking our notes and rewriting them. We also talked about making our own slides in Google. That would be beneficial to study. In language arts, we've got our holiday ABC order. Really make sure that you are filling all of those words into the blanks in alphabetical order. And remember that once you get to words that start with the same letter, you're going to have to go to the second or the third letter to potentially put them in alphabetical order. In literature, we need to read 30 minutes. And last but not least, tomorrow is an early dismissal day. We will be releasing 1:52 p.m. That's it for today. Have a good one.